Okay, now our next command is calendar command, short for CAL. This is used for see the calendar. Okay, let's get started. Type CAL and hit enter. It shows the current month calendar. If you want to see the whole year calendar, then you will type calendar space dash y flag. This is used for current complete year. Okay, it shows whole year calendars. Okay, if you want to see a specific year calendar, means if you want to see the 2020 calendar, then you will type calendar space 2020, then it shows the 2020 calendar. Okay, if you want to see the 3 months calendar, means previous month, current month and next month, then you will type calendar space -3. It shows the 3 month calendar, means current month is July, then it shows June, July and August.